Myself, D.D. Thorat, Head Department of Zoology, Bala Saheb Desai College, Patan. Today we are going to study post-Mendelism. We know, according to the Mendel's first law of dominance, when we crossed two pure organisms for contrasting characters of a pair, then only one character of the pair which is dominant appear in the first generation. While in F2 generation, both the characters are expressed. Mendel have done number of experiments on pea plants by considering 7 pairs of contrasting characters. And he explains the law of dominance which was complete. But after the Mendel, during the 20th century, many scientists performs thousands of experiments to test Mendel's work. During these experiments, it was found that complete dominance was not universal. Many cases didn't show dominance or they represented incomplete dominance. The scientists bring out the conclusions. Like the same appears in the codominance also. In the partial dominance, he concludes that there are some species of plant and animals do not show the complete dominance of the character. Second, the certain species produce completely different variety than the parent in F1 generation. Third, overall 3 species are produced in the F2 generation, out of which 2 resembles parents. Fourth, this particular character of certain species of plant and animals is known as partial dominance or incomplete dominance. Such type of results observed in different animals and plants. For example, Mirabilis jalapa or sweet pea plant and snapdragon or Andalusian fowl, etc. See the example Mirabilis jalapa. It is also called 4 o'clock plant. Here we crossed red flowered male variety and white flowered female variety. The genotype is capital R for red flower and small r for white flower. The gametes formed from the male and female are capital R and small r. After the fertilization of these gametes of male and female in F1 generation, we get all heterozygous, that is, it contains genes capital R and small r. So the genotype is capital R, small r, and it shows the phenotypic appearance as pink colored flowers. In F1 generation, all shows pink colored flowers, which is different variety than their parental characters. To obtain F2 generation, when interbreeding among the heterozygous F1 male and female individuals done, then parent number 2 F1 male and F1 female having the genotype capital R, small r, capital R, small r. During the gamete formation, observes from the male and female, since they are heterozygous condition, gives 2 types of gametes. Some gametes having the capital R gene or some gametes having the small r gene in the male as well as in the female. Since on the Punnett square board here shown the possible combinations of the F2 generations. There is maybe capital R having offspring, or capital R small genotype having offsprings, or small r having offsprings. So in these four genotypes, we observe the genotype having capital R, it shows phenotypic appearance as red colored flowers. While capital R and small r, they shows pink colored flowers. And small r shows white colored flowers. So in the result, F1 shows all pink colored flowers, and in F2 generation they shows one red, two pink and one white in the ratio 1:2:1 respectively instead of 3:1. Another example, in Andalusian fowl, when we cross the male and female having the color of feathers black and white, the male having black plumage and female having white plumage. The genotype is capital B for black color and small b for the white color of feathers. From male and female, when gamete formation takes place, at that time the male shows all gametes having capital BG and the female shows all having the small bg. When such male and female gametes are undergo the fertilization, then gets F1 generation. Here the genotype is capital B, small b or heterozygous condition, and it shows the phenotypic appearance, the blue colored plumage. To get the F2 generation, interbreeding among the heterozygous F1 male and female individuals done, having the genotype is capital B small b and capital B small b, whose phenotype is blue colored. Since the genotype is heterozygous, it gives two types of gametes from the male as well as from the female, that is capital B and small b in each. On Punnett square board, here shows the four combinations. The first one is capital B, second one and third one is capital B, small b, and fourth one is small b, small b. In F2 generation, they shows the phenotypic appearance is pure black colored feathers, and second and third blue colored feathers, and small b, white colored feathers. So in the result, in this example, F1 shows all blue colored, which is different character than their parent. And in F2 generation, they shows the ratio 1:2:1 respectively to the black, blue and white color. Here is also the ratio is modified into 1:2:1 instead of 3:1. The same results observed in the sweet pea plant and a snapdragon. Here red flowered and white flowered plants are crossed. Then in F1 also they shows pink flowers, and F2 shows the red, pink and white flowered variety. Then codominance. In the codominance, dominant and recessive alleles lack their dominant and recessive relationship, and both genes express independently. When dominant and recessive characters occur side by side in F1 generation to give the mixed character, these characters are different from dominant and recessive character. This is called a codominance. Means in the F1 generation they shows mixed character. That example is found in the cross of bull and a cow, as well as in the ladybird beetle. The example: when bull having the red coat color is crossed with a white coat colored cow, the genotype is capital R for red coat colored and small r for the white coat color. Gamete formation: from the bull gets phenotype of gametes containing R gene, in the cow small r gene having the gametes. When they undergo fertilization, in F1 generation we get heterozygous condition having the capital R and small r. The phenotypic character is roan coat color, that is a mixed character. When to get F2 generation, interbreeding among the heterozygous F1 male and female units is done. F1 male, that is the bull, having the capital R small r genotype. The F1 cow having the female genotype capital R small r. Since they are heterozygous, these two types of gametes, that is capital R and small r, On T-square board here given the four combinations. Capital R shows the red coat colored coat. Capital R small r mixed, that is the roan coat colored, and for small r the white coat colored. So here is also the F1 shows different character, that is the mixed character, and F2 shows the ratio 1:2 2:1. Like the same observes in the ladybird beetle. When beetle having the banded elytra of male is crossed with the female having the dotted elytra, means on the yellow back there are a banded appearance or a dotted appearance. The genotype for the banded elytra is capital Y, and dotted elytra is small y. During the gamete formation, it gives from the male capital Y containing genes and from the female small y. When they undergo the fertilization, use capital Y and small y, that is F1 heterozygous condition with a mixed pattern. Means on the yellow back there are dotted as well as banded appearance. To get F2 generation, when interbreeding is done, then here is also use the four types of offsprings having the genotype capital Y shows the banded elytra, and capital Y small y mixed, that is banded and dotted elytra, and fourth one small y is dotted elytra. So in this example also F1 the new character phenotype appearance is appear, that is all mixed pattern, and F2 generation it shows three varieties, that is a banded, mixed and dotted pattern. The ratio 1:2 2:1.